So where are we now? We're back here. Let's look at the map. Yeah, I think if we just continue this way. What are these materials I can acquire? Oh, more Rada fruit. I guess that's to feed torrents. I did read it, but... Oh, you're right in between me and the village. Interesting. Ow. And you keep dropping clothes. It's fantastic. So all these shadow things are maybe they're not all hostile. What did it drop? Mushrooms. It might not be hostile, but they don't seem friendly. Okay. Oh, let's pick up this item. Hello there. An item? Yes. Sir. Oops, sorry about that. What are these? Claws? Or tusks? Or something? Ooh! Cracked pots. There's an item. Should we maybe not go through the main gates? Just explore a bit more. Hi! Oh boy, these look more dangerous. Yep. Not shabby though. New recipes. Oh, more guys. Okay. I should probably check out what that recipe book gives me. Can we walk up this? Oh, we can. I don't have double jump. Only my horse has double jump. So maybe we should use that then. Oh. Maybe? I don't know. Almost. So what we got here? Flesh mushroom. Sweet. Oops, I found. Ah! Okay, I did it. I'm in. Great. Worth it. Oh. Huh? So there was a village here. That hurt a little. It's just a wall. There's no village at all. Oops, that rhymed. I'm sorry. Okay, interesting. So did I miss anything here? Oh boy. Okay, not really, I guess. It's a bit more than just a wall, but not a lot. Oh, here's a dog. So where's little? I'm confused. How big is this? Not very big. Why can you summon here then? Ow, I'm getting shot at. Oh shoot. Are you? Okay. Anything here? Yeah. There sure is. Ooh. Big room. I'm assuming those are just to spend on as money? Yeah. 10,000. Sweet. They changed it. Oh, here you are. Ah, what are you? You used to have to press X to see how many wounds they gave you. But not anymore, they made it even easier. Just a message. There's some guys over there. Just chilling. Oh, there's an item. This is mostly just a parkour challenge to get to some items. Of course. I do like how it looks though. Can we get to that fire tower? Maybe we can. No, maybe we can't. Oh, what? Oh, maybe we can. Good thing I saw a ghost going out of there. Because all the other doors are unopenable. Blade of Mercy, is that a weapon? I found it! It's talisman! Jesus, that took a while. A thin bloodstained dagger, no longer fit for use. Raises attack power for after each critical hit. Ooh. Hornsent employed this to honorably end the suffering of a compatriot. After claiming numerous lives, the dagger is now broken, but has acquired a spectral aura. Raises attack power after each critical hit. Interesting. Oh boy. What do you have to say? I know. All your resentment lingers yet. Yes. The raw stuff from which I shall surely forge a curse. Upon the dastard Mesmer's head. Upon Marika's children, each and all. Wow. Some mushrooms growing here. Oh, there's a dog or something. Got him. So I'm assuming we have to fight these guys. Well, let's can I even equip another? No, probably not. I can! I have 2 scythes and 2 curved swords equipped. And I can still medium roll. Okay. Jesus. Guess he doesn't want me messing with those guys. Oh, I missed. He reminds me of Fire Giant. Oh boy. Almost timed it. I think I want to use jumping attacks with this. These 2 weapons. He's got a lot of health. What was that? Oh, there we go. Oh, what the hell? Why didn't that actually stagger him? Ah, that's mean. I thought I dodged it. Oh. I thought I saw this bonfire earlier. But then I totally forgot about it. Here we are. Okay, let's try this again. He's way further back now. This guy's gonna bug me. You know what? I got a lot of runes on me. I don't know if I can level up or something. That would be nice. Shadow Realm Blessing. Interesting. Level up. Sure. I think I want to go for 60 vigor at least. Here we go. Poor torrents. I think that's mean. Well, how am I even supposed to do anything about that? Poor torrents. Oh, that actually worked. Sick. Oh boy. Could have seen that coming. Oh boy. I'm jumping. What does this do? He's not falling over. Maybe it's just an opening. Couldn't jump that. But my time may have been off. Okay, I gotta be a little earlier. It's not... Let's see. Okay. Sweet. Can I... Is there any critical point I can hit? There we go. Finally. I don't know what to hit. Oh, your eye. Okay, that did a shit ton of damage. That's nice. Ah! Fair enough, fair enough. Okay, he's doing new moves now. Stop it. Okay, why did that not time that correctly? What the hell, dude? Okay, I got him. Oh, I'm stuck. This sucks. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Unless he lays down for a whole bunch of time. Wait for me, sir. Oh my god, he does lay down for a whole bunch of time. Ah, bad timing. Oh boy! Ah. Got it. I'm back in the game. There we go. Let's finish him off with a critical. Ah, Jesus. Look at that. Deflecting heart here. Oh! Furnace visage. Sweet. A crystal tear formed slowly over the ages, where the scattered sap of the erdtree pools deep within the furnace columns. So I guess the furnace columns are kind of like the trees from base game. Can we mix in the... temporarily enhances spontaneous guard. Damage negation and guard poise will be heightened in the moment immediately after assuming a guarding stance. Successfully executing a spontaneous guard will also strengthen guard counters. Is that something like a parry? I don't know where to find the other item yet. Ah, I was gonna say, I don't see things highlighted with an exclamation mark. There we go. I had to set it, I had to enable it in the options, so... Material used for crafting items, what the hell? Smaller imitation of the furnace's column's visage. A stone mask surrounded by curled horns depicting the fell god of fire. Interesting. What can I craft with this then? So did we miss anything else? A mushroom. Clothes. I had this pot. Interesting. Hefty fire pots. Cool, cool. Nice. So what else is here? Oh. That's good. Let's scatter those birds for now. There's a giant wall here. A tree. And I don't know what else. What is this even? It looks like Mikola's rune on a stick. Oh, a bonfire. Interesting. Oh, there's someone here. Touch cross. Do I want to? Is there two people here? Are you the person who led me here?
Fie.
No.
Another. Treading the heels of Mikola. Then, as that woman would surely say, we are in our purposes well aligned. But understand, your kind are not forgiven. The erdtree is my people's enemy. By Marika long betrayed. Set aflame. I believe Mikola's apologies when he says our delivery will come, but never will I see your kind as worthy.
Wow.
And yet my oath I cannot overlook. If Mikola it is whom you would seek, then comrade, allow me to give you this. These are the sites of the crosses I found. I urge you, follow after Mikola. As long as you abide by his footfalls, you will be no enemy to me.
Okay. Interesting. So this is one. I need to look at my inventory. A simple map. Can I have a bigger view? Can I have a bigger view? Not really. So this one... Is there another one here? Or is there another one here somewhere? Anything else?
I urge you, as long as you...
Okay. Empyrean Blood Virgin. I keep pressing the wrong button for some reason. Young shoot. Heavy with Empyrean blood. Jesus. Set to burgeon forth from where the golden blood of Miquella, the wounded Empyrean, pooled. Who are you? You're a new person?
Ah, Lady Leda spoke of you. You're that tarnished. Guided here by kindly Miquella. Won't we all?
Well,
I am Freya. I once fought alongside General Radahn.
really?
In battle, you can be sure I'll hold my own.
I bet.
Oh, another thing. Did you speak to our dour little friend?
That guy?
If you've yet to do so, have him give you a map of the Cross's whereabouts. You'll find more of them dotted about these lands.
Mm-hmm.
They are Miquella the Kind's footprints.
Okay.
If you've yet to do so, assuming you...
Carved words coalesce. I abandon here the first of the flesh of my body. It's like a lore sword. Okay. So according to the map, maybe there's one over there. I don't know if I want to check it out right away. What is the way to go? Well, both ways are plausible, I guess. I don't know. Let's just walk around a bit, see if we find anything interesting. Well, no Miquella cross for sure. So maybe I interpreted it wrong. Well, it looks like we can go down there eventually. At least up till there. So let's look at it again. So I can't really show you. Can I not? I want a bigger picture. So the middle one seems really close to the bridge. Like here. But they could mean this one. Redmane, Freya and Hornsent. Hornsent. We keep talking about that. So it looks like we have a ravine on the left here. And the open fields on the right. And what are they called again? The walking furnaces or something? Furnace golem. Okay, it looks like the furnace golems don't respawn. So that's nice. This is a statue. Oh, here's an item. I knew it. Triggered a whole bunch of guys. Oh, there you are. It's kinda sad how weak these guys are. Please don't die to them now. You can just knock them out the air and stagger them really easily. Look, I dropped something. Smithing stone. What would I need smithing stones for? You can just buy those for free. Not for free, I guess. Let's make our way to that shrine. In the meantime, look in the... Is that bats? Are they spitting at me? Oh boy. Man, those little guys are surprisingly doing a lot of damage. Oh, maybe they're knights. Maybe they're not so little at all. Maybe the other guys are just really big. Oh boy. Lots of fighting going on there. What's in this shrine? It's surrounded by people. By the looks of it. Ooh! There's a lot of people here. Yeah! Of course. Okay. I did it.